Hi everyone, today, we're installing the Hardwire kit for dashcam. Before we start, make sure all the main unit and accessories are there and in good shape. If anything's missing or damaged, just contact us. Check your manual to find your car's interior fuse box. Or you can look it up online using your car's brand, model, and year. Once you find the interior fuse box, take off the cover. You'll see lots of fuses inside. Next, we need to find two fuses, the constant fuse and the ACC fuse. We highly recommend using a voltage tester to help find the right fuses. Attach the negative lead to the car frame, and turn off the car. With the engine off, find a fuse that still has power, that's the constant fuse. The fuse that's off when the engine's off is the ACC fuse. Check your fuse diagram and avoid fuses for airbags or stability control. We suggest picking fuse slots rated 10 to 30 amp to give the dashcam enough power. Mark your ACC and constant fuses, then use the fuse puller to remove them. From the package, find the fuse cables and fuses that match the ones you just took out. Put the car's fuse on the outside of the fuse tap, and the package's fuse on the inside. Connect the cables to the kit, a CC cable to the red end, and constant cable to the yellow. You can use pliers to tighten the connection. Connect the three leads to the fuse box, yellow to constant fuse, red to ACC fuse, and black to ground. Finally, attach the black lead to the car's metal frame using a screwdriver. Run the cable through the pillar and connect it to the dashcam. Plug the USB-C connector into the camera. Start the engine and connect the dashcam to your phone app. Turn on 24H or time-lapse recording in the app's camera settings, then turn off the engine to see if the camera switches to time-lapse parking mode. If the camera prompts time-lapse recording, you've successfully hardwired the dashcam.